Hi Kathy, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my left, the vehicle you inquired about, the 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350. It's a beautiful vehicle, polar white, silk beige interior. It's a nice combination. Wanted to put together a video tour, show you the ins and outs of the vehicle. Chrome along the front bumper. We've got chrome work there in the grille as well. Beautiful design. Here we've got these 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels, chrome along the window frame, nice sharp lines to the vehicle, cool style. Around the rear, wraparound LED tail lights, E350 4MATIC badging. It's the all-wheel drive system. It's a gorgeous car with a nice interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the E350, we can take a closer look at the interior. We have a nice beige, espresso brown upper dashboard and steering wheel, nice wood trim across the dashboard and door panels, power and memory seats for the driver and passenger, heated seats, a rear sunshade, dual zone climate control, navigation, radio, multimedia, all done from our display and touch controller here. We've got our gear shifter here on the right, our wipers, turn indicators, and high beams on the left. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, a nice sunroof up top. A lot of really nice features and a very, very clean, well taken care of vehicle. Kathy, the idea of the video tour is just to give you a little bit more of a personal look at the vehicle you inquired about. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.